Hello students, welcome back in a new session. Hello students, today in this session we will discuss bitwise assignment operator. These operators are similar to assignment operators including the equal sign. When we have seen assignment operators like AND or XOR, right shift, left shift, all these when work with the equal sign equal to, then it becomes bitwise assignment operator. These assignments are also called as shorthand assignment operators. There are certain categories of bitwise assignment operators like AND equal becomes AND equal to bitwise assignment operator, or equal to bitwise assignment operator, XOR equal to assignment operator, right shift equal to operator, left shift equal to left shift assign equal to assignment operator, and one's complement bitwise assignment operator. So these are few categories of bitwise assignment operators. So let's move in the brief description. So first one is AND equal to bitwise assignment operator. In this operator we use AND keyword for make the operations. So let's take an example. Here we have two variables a and b. A contains the value of 10, b contains the value of 20, and here we use the AND equal to bitwise operator between these two operands. So this is the AND equal to bitwise assignment operator. So when we apply this operation, then we got the answer that will store in the A. So this will also be right as A is equals to A and B, something like this. So this will be executed internally when we applied here this. Okay. So internally this will be applicable like this. So here the operation will be performed A and B. So how it will be operated? So in this, first the value of A and B will be converted into the binary number. Then binary number will be make a ending. These will be calculated, and finally the answer of A and B will be stored in the variable A, and we got the answer by writing A here. This will be the answer. So let's take a real world scenario. So here we have A equals to 10, B equals to 20. Now we apply the formula. A and equals to B, that would be treated as A equals to A and B. So final answer will be stored in the A variable. Now we print the A, we got the answer 0. How the 0 will become? So for that we have to calculate it A and B in the binary number position. So first this 10 and this 20 will be converted into the binary number. Then both the numbers in the binary form will be ending. Okay. So we have to follow the truth table of AND or AND. In ending, when whenever we will get both the number of 1, then the answer will be 1. Otherwise, in any one situation, the answer will be 0. So, according to such conditions, we will follow the rules. And we finally got the answer 0. Same like next we can apply. So the next one is or equal to bitwise assignment operator. In this operator, we use the or sign or pipe sign equal to in between the two operands. So let's take an example. So here we use or equal to sign, and the process will be executed same like as before. The number decimal number will be converted into the binary digits, and binary bits will be calculated as ORing. In this, rules will be followed. What are the rules of it? The rules will be, if both the numbers have or any number have the 1, then the answer will be 1. Then after we got the resultant value 30. So let's move on to the real environment. So here we apply A is equals to 10 and B is equals to 20. Now we apply the formula, that is or equal. So A equal or B, and we got the answer, and we got the answer 30. If we talk about the third one, the third one is XOR equal to bitwise assignment operator. In this, we apply the XOR sign, that is tilde with equal sign, to make the operations as XOR equal to bitwise assignment operator. Let's take an example. So in this example, we apply the direct operator, that is XOR sign with equal, that is XOR equal to, and we got the right answer 30. So let's move on to the real environment. Here we apply A equals to 10, B is equals to 20, A XOR equals to B. Now we got the answer. So something like this, we can apply all these operations of bitwise assignment operators. So we have applied these three, and this is the task for all of you. Then you can just practice and do operations by own self for these three assignment operator: right shift equal to, left shift equal to, and one's complements. The procedure will be same, just we have to put the particular and separate specific sign among these two operands. Okay, so just do it now and just make your suggestions in the comment box. Thank you. I hope you got some valuable information from this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.